Hello, today we are going to do a minimalist house tour, but in the form of a before and after tidy up. At the minute it feels a little bit cluttered. I've got things out that should be away, so I'm going to spend 5 minutes in each area just clearing things away and then showing you the finished result. And there's Bertie, perhaps he might help. Or not. Just wanted to give you a little look into a piece of art that I made using a blank canvas and some polyfiller. I have just finished going around to my house and doing a 5-minute declutter and tidy in each area, and I've cleared the surfaces so it now feels like it is clutter free. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know down below if you are currently decluttering your home or following a minimalism journey. I'd love to know how you're getting on, and I also do videos on my no spend year as well. So I shall see you soon. Take care, bye.